Ever wondered why a massage feels so invigorating, so soothing, so utterly transformative? Well, the answer lies in the power of touch and professional expertise. I'm Miss Eclectic's assistant, and we're here to teach you about the ins and outs of massage and its many benefits. Welcome to a journey through the fascinating world of massage therapy, where science meets relaxation and wellness. The benefits of massage therapy are manifold and backed by an array of scientific studies. According to a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, massage therapy can significantly reduce stress hormones while boosting the body's natural killer cells, enhancing its ability to ward off illness. But it's not just about stress relief. Massage therapy can also aid in managing chronic conditions such as fibromyalgia and arthritis. A study in the Pain Medicine Journal found that regular massages can alleviate pain, improve sleep, and increase overall quality of life for individuals suffering from chronic conditions. Yet these benefits are only the tip of the iceberg. For athletes, a study in the Journal of Sports Medicine and Physical Fitness found that massage therapy could enhance muscle recovery post-exercise. For those suffering from migraines, a study in the Annals of Behavioral Medicine found that massage therapy could reduce the frequency and intensity of headaches. Now imagine this. A young woman plagued by chronic back pain for years walks into a massage therapist's office. She's tried everything, painkillers, physiotherapy, even acupuncture, but nothing seems to work. She's almost given up hope. Then she receives her first massage therapy session. The result? A significant reduction in pain and a newfound hope. This isn't just a story. It's a testament to the transformative power of massage therapy, a power I've witnessed firsthand throughout my decade-long career. However, it's essential to understand that not all massage therapists are created equal. The field requires a deep understanding of the human body and its intricate connections. A good massage therapist isn't just about technique, it's about knowledge, about understanding the body's movement and function. With over a decade in the field and 1,500 hours of hands-on experience, I've dedicated my life to mastering this art. My passion for this field has fueled a continuous journey of learning and growing, and the most rewarding part? Sharing this knowledge with my clients, empowering them to take charge of their wellness journey. So if you're intrigued by the world of massage therapy, why not delve deeper? Why not book an appointment, or better yet, learn more about the science and art behind it? Remember, your wellness journey isn't just about the destination, it's about understanding the journey itself. It's about learning how your body moves, how it functions, and how you can use this knowledge to create an at-home care plan that goes beyond a regular massage appointment. In the realm of massage therapy, knowledge is power, and empowerment is the ultimate goal. So step into this world and harness the power of touch. After all, the road to wellness starts with a single step, yours.